out to play, and we've got a star-studded field in men's C grade today. Supercrit C-grade women's podium. Let's hear it for it. We'll get the photos first. Get the hair, Come on, girls. Go, Beanie. Be one to watch. Speaking of talented rider, the man who never trains but is always training is here. Rico Rogers, how are you feeling today, champ?
Very slightly asleep.
Very slightly asleep. You've been sleeping at 4,000 metres overnight?
No, I haven't actually.
I can't remember what edition this is. It's been going for a number of years now, and it is arguably the strongest peloton that we've seen at Criterium in Australia, outside of that opening Criterium they had before the start of the Tour Down Under. It's fantastic.
Attack here, the dedicated sprinter.
No, I'm not. I reckon. Oh, this one is a sprinter.
It's plus 3 laps. 100 meters for the first 2. Away we go.
Well, it was kind of fast. I think it was 46 average. It was just a really fast race, and it was hard for me to get the front at all. I found it pretty difficult for me to get comfortable, and there was sort of a wind in the back straight, so it was really hard to move up.
Jones, Mitch Stocker, Lucas Hamilton, Matt Ross, and Jensen Plaro.
And had a crack, but the young Kiwi, good to see another Kiwi on the podium.
There's this massive gap, you just like sprinted across the circle. Well, I'll have to talk with the team and hopefully we can come away with a win. We've got Nicola, Jess, Catalina and Jenny, so it's a really good team.
Yeah, no, we've got a good lineup here, and we're really looking forward to what we can do.
Look, just turned up to do some marshalling. So we started off with women's C and B, then we went on to the men's D, men's B, men's C, and then the juniors. And the fastest of the day was probably C grade, and then juniors was smacking it. They are really hard to ride against. But no, it's good. It's good. It's good.
The first game being controlled for the last 25 years as a commissaire.
Yeah, fair enough.
Next up is the... And as we look... Those 2 laps, then the clock will start to get the race officially underway. Who gets the nod?
Dan from KOM Financial Advice. We are a financial advice business which doesn't usually make sense for cycling, but we've got an insurance product that's specific for cyclists, our income protection for cyclists business. I've raced for 20 odd years, raced 2-3 times a week, and I think that being some of the races I understand it all quite well. So,
that's a big check, Jamie.
Yeah.
The real one's in your pocket. Take that one to the bank.
Go, Sean!
Lee, we're just going to send an SOS.
I forgot to do the seat.
Oh no!
I forgot to release the seat to try and get the thing to fly out. So somebody helped me cheat and helped me actually build the bike.
No, see, front and on.
England in the hope of making the big step the following year. Unfortunately, Jason is no longer with us. And just a few weeks ago, we lost one of the great colourful characters of the St Kilda Cycling Club, Jonathan Cantwell, who, as many of you know, he rode with the Saxo Bank team and he rode the Tour de France in 2012 and was one of the guys that when you saw him, he put a smile on your face. So before we get this race started, and before we hear the national anthem from Macy Stewart, let's have a minute's silence and remember Jason Lowndes and Jonathan Cantwell. And Shimano. It's a history race.
75 minutes past 3, but of course...
It is a big check going to Ken Scott. And now it's champagne time.